Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to easily replace specific objects in your photos. First, you'll need to open up AVCLabs PhotoPro AI. If you don't have it installed yet, you can check out the download link in the description below. Once it's open, drag and drop or click to open the photo file you want to work with. Let's pick one of our examples. In our example, we're going to swap out this noodles here with a pizza. Now, we'll choose the Replace option and select the object we want to replace. To do this, find the Object Selection tool from the left and choose the noodles. You can use the Brush tool or Object Selection tool. The brush can choose the object in any size or any shape, however, it takes a lot of time. Object Selection tool helps you select the object in one click, super easy and time-saving. Then write what you want to replace, such as a slice of pepperoni pizza. Apply it and your task will be uploaded to be processed. Wow, looks great! Let's contrast to the original image. AVCLabs PhotoPro AI does a fantastic job matching, so your object replacement blended smoothly with the photo. Once you're happy with the placement, click on Export to save our photo. Just click on Save Image and choose the format you want. That's how easy it is to replace an object in a photo using AVCLabs PhotoPro AI. Whether you're enhancing your photos, removing unwanted objects, or swapping things out, this tool makes it incredibly simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.